Hi there, I'm Erica, and today I wanted to record an update about the Sing With Me Karaoke app that I've been building. My last update was almost a month ago. I was still in Brazil. Now I'm back to the Netherlands. I did not have much time to work on the app, but I did some work on the 31st of December, the last day of the year, and I will share these updates I made and what's in the plans for the future of this app. So the last feature I was working on when I paused was multi-language support. As you can see here, I have some already translation files that I still have to translate, but yeah, I implemented this and this is important so that my family can use it more easily. And I also did a few other changes that I'm gonna show you, but one thing that didn't work out so much was my Docker setup. Like, it is working. The issue is to make Copilot work with that also. I'm not quite sure how I can make it run the commands on the Docker environment instead of my local machine. I wasn't sure how to go about that. So the Docker setup works, but yeah, there's this limitation. So I'm gonna run it as a regular composer run dev that will run the Laravel server, development server, and everything. Let's just have a look first. Yes, so another thing that I did that I forgot to mention is I created a YouTube channel just to create playlists, and so I'm curating a lot of playlists from different artists, and that should help. Okay, I forgot to change here. And that should help with finding the better versions of the karaoke songs, because sometimes you get a version that is like only guitar or don't have all the instruments, or some versions don't have a good synchronization. So it's important to have some curation. So I worked on that also during the holidays. And yes, so can't remember all the features that I implemented, but I think the focus on the 31st, what I did, I can actually see on the prompts. So let's have a look at VS Code and we can see actually. So, oh yes, I see. So these last three ones, I did a lot of little things. Yes, I remember now. So I brought also the import feature, the YouTube import feature from that I was using. Also brought that to the dashboard. I only have this feature as a command, and then I brought this to the interface on the dashboard now. It's easier to import playlists and songs, and I also added some default tags. That's the music styles. So this should be a static list that's at least a minimum amount of styles, music styles. I also implemented pagination in the song management because the dashboard was very slow after my last test run, that I added a bunch of playlists, and so it became really slow. It was rendering everything. Mass assignment feature for song tagging. Can't remember that. refresh session is important also to clean up the session because it was kind of accumulating. It was always the same session. I created a way to clean up the session and create a new one. Just like a refresh the session. Default artists and tags for playlist import. These I added these also feature because I curated all those playlists on the YouTube channel, and most of them are organized by artists, so I can specify which artist it is in the import step. So all songs are imported with the correct artist assigned to it. There was some issue with horizontal scroll bars that I also fixed, and one thing that I also wanted after the first test run was an important feature was to reorder the queue, and so I implemented that, and it's working. So you can drag the queue and reorganize it. And then the last thing was the multi-language support. So I actually worked I think this was also 3 weeks ago and 2 weeks ago. So there was 2 working sessions I did after that update. And so this is what is implemented at the moment. Let's have a look at the browser again. I will log in and I will share. There we go. So the dashboard now has pagination, and also you can mass assign tags and artists. So this was another thing there. So here we have the draggable thing, and it is working. If I reload it, you will see that it worked. So this was a thing. The Reacts are working locally still. I did not have much time to debug the issues I was having in Laravel Cloud. I was still going to have to do that, but I decided to first clean up and implement the features I wanted and all the other things. And if I run the Reverb server here, it will work. It works locally. So I am thinking on ways to make these useful for an online karaoke session or individual karaoke session. Maybe you live stream it with your friends. And I'm thinking on ways to make these online, more be able to have fun online with this app. I know that karaoke is a social activity. You need to have other people around. It's not really fun by yourself, but you may want to practice some songs or just live stream your session and something like that. So I'm thinking on ways to improve this experience. So if you have any ideas or suggestions for features or how to make these work for an online gathering, feel free to leave in the comments your suggestions. I would appreciate that, and see you next time.